did you pick up your cybersecurity and technical skills in the military, or did the military help prepare you for this journey in any way? Or
Yes, it's kind of an interesting thing. So when I first went into the military, I just went in as a IT specialist.
okay,
So it's pretty easy job. Basically, I'm just helping a lot of commanders and officers fix their printer or get their internet working, or simple things. And sometimes I would like walk across the desert just to find their laptop's not working, and it's because they don't have it plugged in and the battery died. So
holy smoke, man, that's got to be the most dangerous networking job in the world. You had to walk across a desert to fix somebody's. That's combat pay. I hope.
um yeah, it's just comical because, well, typically where these where the commanders are, they're not like in combat zones, but you're sweating, you're walking to get there, and you've already asked these questions like, is the battery dead, is it plugged in? And it's like it's plugged into the wall, it's plugged into the laptop, but the brick and the cable isn't connected, so of course it doesn't have any power. So there's comical things like that that's happened. um and I
Hey, you
in
know what?
high
I'm actually glad to hear you say that, because when I was an engineer, well, I believe it or not, one of the basic things was, is it plugged in? And I can't tell you the number of times it actually was not, the computer was not plugged in.
It happens. You check you overcomplicate some things, and you're looking for this big problem, and it's actually the simple thing that's the issue.